Alright everybody, welcome back to the video. This is your boy back at it, like a crack at it, at the freaking track. Here at Thunderhill West on a thunderful day. It is raining hard. It was raining hard. I am wet. That's what she said. But as of now, we had finished one session. We had skipped the second session only because, it's not because we're scared, not at all. To continue on with the story here, we're going to take you along with us. Hopefully the track a little bit better for us on this third round. Not hitting PBs, not trying to go fast, just learning the lines here. But as far as right now, it is a little bit scary because of the roads being damp. But I'll go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro later. So welcome back and hope you guys enjoy the track day with us. Michael's back in town too. He came up. Yes, sir. And yeah, so if anybody that is watching out there that wants to sponsor me, don't hesitate to go and do so. Ronnie Deluxe on Instagram. But yeah, and then Irene's also my cheerleader. We all look hurt because we all met up at 4:30 a.m. and we had a long night at Korean barbecue last night. So enough of me talking. Back onto the track we go. It is lunchtime, but I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. What did you do, bro?
Track was too wet.
Oh, you got it wet,
so
that's why. Where's Brian? Brian, what'd you do, bro? What'd you get? A prize?
Passed everyone up.
I don't know, I was like, this, like going down the straightaway, I was like, all right, hitting VTEC, right? And I was like, all right, I'm gonna hit this curve. You know, I don't want to brake that much. I like braked once and I kept going, carried the momentum. All of a sudden, I see like 3 cars stop. I was like, oh shit.
I spun out every corner.
This guy spun out. He was drifting, not a track car, but it's like a drift
car
car.
for me.
But this guy right here didn't get a black flag, but he did.
Yeah, I stay on the track. I stay on the track.
Dude, I should have placed bets.
Huh?
I should have placed bets.
So as far as right now, if you guys, I didn't get to tell you guys, but Brian and Jason are in a different group. Me and Michael are also in a different group. But it's sad because we can't really bully them. I was going to try to become the Lance out here, but it's okay. Next time, hopefully we all could just run low in. That's the goal, right?
Yeah.
Skip novice, just low in.
I just need to be dry, dude.
I just need to be dry, yeah. Hopefully it is dry. It's going to be drier because it's getting sunny. But if only you guys saw how bad it was earlier. I totally did not go off track. I'm gonna leave it at that. All right, guys. Welcome back to my video. It's really windy, by the way. If you can't see clearly, so hopefully you guys can hear me. A little nervous from the first one because I kind of spun out, but we're not going to talk about that. Car's running a little cold right now, so we're probably going to have to do a little warm-up lap.
grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking hoes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes, see notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. So grams I had to measure. However, living better now. Gucci sweater now. Drop top BMs. I'm the man, girlfriend. So grams I had to measure. However, living better now. Gucci sweater now. Drop top BMs. I'm the man, girlfriend. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave. Throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you have made it this far, do not hesitate to go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and share with your friends if they're indeed also just joining in on the track journey as well as we are. But I wish I had a couple more clips of the track day, also the clip that of me spinning out during a rainy day, since I haven't really seen a bunch of videos on YouTube that are during a rainy day track day. So hopefully we could do that again. I probably would be scared as shit to be a part of that, but I will be more than happy to go and get more footage next time. But hopefully next year to come, we have a lot of plans with Starting Grid. Hopefully we could go back down to SoCal and hit up a couple Starting Grid events with the homies from SoCal. But as far as now, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you again for the new subscribers. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Hopefully we have more money and sponsors for us to go ahead and join these track events in the future. But little upgrades on the WRX will be coming in soon, along with a little fix due to the fact that the WRX, as far as right now after the track day, is running a little bit rich and idle is rough at this point in time. So I just want to go ahead and make this video and turn it around for you guys so you guys can watch a little recap of the track day that we had experienced up here in NorCal. So I'll give you guys an update on what's going on with the WRX, as I do have an appointment on Thursday this week. So if I'm not going to go ahead and post it on here on YouTube, please do go ahead and check out my Instagram, Ronnie Directs. I'll also go ahead and just update the minor stuff on that platform. So again, thank you very much, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Not too sure if it's going to be a track day or not, but we'll definitely catch you there. So like always, stay positive and be awesome. Peace.